Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Easy YouTube channel. So in this video we will be learning about property and casualty insurance must know terms to pass the exam. So let's get started. Insurance, a financial product that provides protection against financial loss. Example, a family purchases homeowners insurance to cover potential fire and theft damage. Property, physical assets such as real estate or personal belongings. Example, a homeowner's furniture, electronics, and appliances are all considered property. Casualty, coverage for loss or damage to property and liability for injuries to others. Example, auto insurance that pays for damages from an accident falls under casualty insurance. Liability, legal responsibility for causing harm or damage to someone else. Example, if a guest trips and falls in your home, you may be liable for their medical expenses. Coverage, the amount and types of protection provided by an insurance policy. Example, a health insurance policy may cover doctor visits, surgeries, and prescriptions. Policy, a contract between the insurer and the insured outlining the terms of coverage. Example, after buying car insurance, you receive a policy detailing coverage limits and exclusions. Insurer, the company that provides insurance coverage. Example, Allstate is an insurer that offers various insurance products, including auto and home insurance. Insured, the individual or entity protected by insurance policy. Example, in a life insurance policy, the policyholder is the insured providing benefits to beneficiaries upon their death. Risk, the likelihood of a loss occurring, which insurance aims to mitigate. Example, a homeowner in a flood-prone area has a high risk of property damage due to flooding. Moral hazard, risk that arises from the insured's behavior changing due to having insurance. Example, a person might be less careful about locking their car because they have comprehensive insurance. Moral hazard, risk that occurs when the insured may take greater risk because they are covered. Example, someone with health insurance may skip regular checkups, believing they can rely on their coverage for treatment. Claim, a request for payment or coverage under an insurance policy. Example, after a storm damages her roof, Emily files a claim with her insurer to cover the repair costs. Deductible, the amount the insured must pay out of pocket before insurance coverage kicks in. Example, if Maria has $500 deductible and her car repairs cost $2,000, she pays $500 before her insurance covers the remaining $1,500. Adjuster, a professional who evaluates claims and determines the insurer's liability. Example, after a car accident, an adjuster assesses the damages to determine the payout for the claim. Appraisal, an assessment of property value for determining insurance coverage or claims. Example, when buying a home, a lender requires an appraisal to ensure the property's value aligns with the mortgage amount. Premium, the amount paid for an insurance policy, usually on a regular basis. Example, Jessica pays a monthly premium of $150 for her health insurance coverage. Actual cash value, the value of property determined by replacement cost minus depreciation. Example, after a theft, Sarah's insurer reimburses her based on the actual cash value of her stolen items, accounting for depreciation. Endorsement, a modification to an insurance policy that alters its terms or coverage. Example, a homeowner adds an endorsement to their policy for extra coverage against earthquakes. Collision, a type of auto insurance coverage that pays for damages to the insured's vehicle after a crash. Example, after hitting a tree, Mark's collision coverage pays for the repairs to his car. Additional insured, a person or entity added to an insurance policy, providing them with coverage. Example, a contractor adds the property owner as an additional insured on their liability policy during a project. Declarations, the section of an insurance policy that outlines key details such as coverage amounts and the insured. Example, the declaration page of a homeowner's policy lists the property's address, coverage limits, and the policy period. Accident, an unexpected event causing damages or injury. Example, a minor accident occurs when a cyclist collides with a parked car, resulting in damage. Depreciation, the decrease in value of property over time due to wear and tear. Example, a 10-year-old laptop may have depreciated in value from its original price of $1,000 to $300. Homeowners insurance, a type of insurance that covers a private residence and its contents. Example, a homeowner's insurance policy typically covers damage from fire, theft, and liability for injuries on the property. Loss, the financial harm or damage incurred by the insured. Example, a homeowner experiences a loss when a tree falls on their house during a storm. Replacement cost value, the cost to replace property without deducting depreciation. Example, if a fire destroys furniture worth $1,500, a policy with replacement cost coverage would pay the full amount to replace it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.